One day, Winnie the Pooh woke up feeling very hungry. "Oh dear," he said, rubbing his tummy, "I need some honey." Pooh walked to his friend Piglet's house. "Hello, Piglet, do you have any honey?" he asked. Piglet shook his head. "Oh no, Pooh, I only have acorns," Pooh sighed. "Then I must find honey somewhere else." Next, Pooh went to Rabbit's house. "Rabbit, do you have any honey?" Rabbit smiled. "I have carrots, but no honey, Pooh." Pooh's tummy rumbled. "Oh bother," he said. Then Pooh had an idea. He remembered a beehive and a big tree. "These make honey," he said happily. He climbed up the tree, but oops! He slipped and fell into a big pile of leaves. Just then Christopher Robin came by. "Pooh, what are you doing? I need honey," Pooh said. Christopher Robin laughed and gave Pooh a big jar of honey. "Here you go, silly bear." Pooh smiled and licked the sweet honey. "This is the best day ever." And with a full tummy, Pooh went home ready for a nice, cozy nap.
Please like, subscribe, share, and press the bell icons for more videos.